everybody to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to do a flip and drag today. I'm going to use some different colors I don't usually use. I've got a nice copper by Artist Loft. I've got Old Gold by Artist Loft. I've got Sunny Day Yellow by Deco. And I've got Expresso. It's Craft Smart. I don't usually use that brand, but I just happen to have it, so I'll just add it in, and it's a brown. And I'm going to use my Deco Art Black. Now my decision is, oh yes, my coconut milk. I think I will put it in my copper, and I'll put it in the brown. Stick just a couple of drops. This is not easy, this thing. So give it a little stir. Another stick. I just like that. I think I'll put some in the gold as well as in the copper as well. Or no, this is Old Gold. This stuff doesn't want to drop. I should use my little pipettes that I have. I need to get my microphone on. Sorry about that. All right, there we go. Just looking for another stick. All right. See. So that's 3 colors. I didn't put it in the yellow or the black. And they're all mixed with floetrol, 50-50, and water. Pretty much 50-50. I'm going to put some black in the bottom. Instead of white, I'm using black today as my base color. Some of this gold in. I'm going to stand up so I can see. If you can see my cups, I'll just move them ahead a bit. It's just an old canvas that I primed over top. A bit of brown. I must remember which ones so I can mark my container, which ones have the dimethicone in it. Then I'll forget. So it was the brown, the gold, and these, just not the yellow. It's a nice light yellow. have I done all the colors? I haven't done this one. So it's 4 colors plus black. A little bit of black. The black usually sinks, and the white. Okay, so I'll start with the gold again. Brown. Oh, I should have put the yellow in between. Oh well. Okay, a little bit of black, and then this should be my last layer. I think I should have enough paint. Give this a stir. It always seems to thicken up the metallics. I think I'll put the yellow next this time instead of the copper. I'll do the copper last. I think that should be enough paint. That's my lid for my brown. Okay. All right, so move this way. Can you still see? All right, it's just that I have to reach a little farther. had it all level and then I went and moved it. I just take my little level. Oh, that's still pretty good. All right, we're good. Now, should I start from the top or the bottom? Oh, I can't do this. Oh, I'm left-handed. I didn't think I could do it. Let that sit for a minute. I hope I like this color combination. I'll put the dried results at the end. I usually do. All right, here goes. Whoa. Wow, those colors, pretty cool. This is the tricky part. I want it to come all the way down the bottom. Come this way. Bring it back. Bring it back a little more this way. I think I like it like that. I'm gonna see if my torch will do anything. Oh. I thought the black would show up more, but it didn't. I guess I could have put a little more in. showed up here, showed up there. That's better. Well, that's awesome. I love it. Take my stick, touch up some sides. Scrape underneath. I love those colors. Let me have a look over here. One more spot to cover. There. Well, isn't that awesome? I love it. I really like it. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I think this was a success. Come back soon. Let me just hold this up. Very nice. Thanks for watching. Let me wipe my finger before I touch my phone. Hi. Came down to see what my painting is looking good. If it's looking good, but it is. It's all dry. It's pretty smooth. A little bumpy there, but it's a thick paint on there. That's the gold or the copper, and it's metallic, so it doesn't run as smooth as the other paints. But all in all, I think it looks great. See if you can have a close-up here. The colors are awesome together. Okay, thanks for coming to my art room. Have a great day. Bye-bye.